Welcome to Werewolf at the Movies. I am your host, the Werewolf, the bearded man of cinema trivia. Anyways, folks, how you been doing? I have been doing well as well. Thank you so much for asking. Today, it's not so much my normal vlogging time. I usually vlog somewhere in the early afternoon, get like maximum, I just bit my tongue. I get maximum sunlight and warmth while riding, but that's alright. Right now, I'm at about, what time are we at? 9:50 in the PM, and I'm gonna say it's about 15 degrees Celsius. So, fuck if I know. Whatever degrees Celsius or whatever degrees Fahrenheit, you Americans should just hop on board the Celsius train. We got all the good shit going over here. Anyways, today I'm gonna be reviewing the film The Terminator. Yeah, that's right. I'm going old school science fiction classic with the super crazy awesome robots and time travel, because time travel makes everything awesome. And what else does it have? Yeah, so it's got robots, time travel, and fuck if I know. I don't know what else it has, but it's got lots of cool shit in it. Just go with me on this one. It's totally awesome. So, the Cavalia Odysseo. Well, that's some horse show. Some horsey fucking Cirque du Soleil with horse shit. Anyway, sorry, I don't know if you guys saw that. There's a big tent on the left-hand side. Back to the Terminator. Circa early 1980s. I believe it might be 1984. If you guys haven't seen it, then you're probably missing out. But it stars Arnold Schwarzenegger.
You're close. Give them to me.
And he plays a time-traveling robot. I just realized how lame that actually sounds. It's a time-traveling robot. The movie's by Disney. No, so he plays a he plays a, what do they call them? I think they call them hunter predators. In this futuristic army of computer-based war machines, I suppose. And he goes back in time to kill the next star of the film, and her name is Linda Hamilton.
A machine? Like a robot?
And she plays a lady called Sarah Connor, and she is, in the future, going to have a kid by the name of John Connor. And so this computer collective of assassinating robots, I guess, has decided that since they can't kill John Connor in the future, they're going to go in the past and they're going to kill his mom. Which, it's a pretty damn good plan, because how can John Connor save himself if he's not born yet? I guess that's the theory. But anyways, this film is unreal. For its day, it was totally unique, first of all. But the special effects were bananas, man. They were awesome. I say that even though I know that the special effects nowadays are way better. Shit gets better. Filming gets better. Filming techniques get better. You can use computers nowadays. So it doesn't rely on any stop motion or anything like that. Well, I guess you could still do stop motion, but why would you if you have computers? So this film basically follows a guy named Kyle Reese, who was sent back in time to protect Sarah Connor against the Terminator, who's played by Arnold Schwarzenegger, like I said. And just sheer insanity ensues. Like, people are dying everywhere, shit's blowing up. Oh man, it's totally awesome. As a result, I am going to rate this film 8 mistaken identities.
Sarah Connor.
Yes.
Out of 10. 8 mistaken identities out of 10. And you can definitely see why it would suck to have your identity mistaken with Sarah Connor, just by that little clip I showed you. So that being said, I hope you guys go out and watch it. If you want a more in-depth description of what the film actually is, go online onto the Internet Movie Database, imdb.com or wikipedia.com or Google or whatever you do nowadays, whatever you youngins do, and just type in Terminator and read the synopsis, otherwise known as the plot. But I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna love it. If you're anything like me, and I feel like if you watch these little YouTube videos, then you're at least somewhat like me anyways. But I hope you enjoy, and until next time, I'm the Werewolf, and thank you for watching Werewolf at the Movies. So, have a good night.
I'll be back.